Sanibonani and welcome to wisdomxmakaziwe. Imina ingane yamakhehla amadala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle. If you are watching for the first time, siyakwamukela, and if you are always here, siyabonga bantu, siyabonga asiphezi la simi khona. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing and sharing light for the world to become a better. Namuhla ke I want to talk about the lifestyle and our diets. The lifestyle esiyiphilayo, the lifestyle that we're living, and the food that we eat, they hinder our third eye. They hinder us from living a soft life. Let me start by explaining what soft life means to me. Soft life to me means knowing and understanding your purpose and always getting revelation from God, always being connected to the universe. That is my definition of soft life. Knowing what's going to happen next and not being surprised and always being prepared for it. Why? Because of you stay prayerful, you eat healthy and clean, and your lifestyle in general complements your third eye. When we are busy during the day, we are working, we are busy communicating with friends, there's so much things that are happening, and we don't turn to focus on our third eye. Our third eye, we normally see ngayo kahle when we are sleeping. So when you are sleeping, communication is down, there's peace and quiet there, then that's when your third eye will start revealing things. But for you to understand your dreams and to see them clearly, you need to complement your inner eye, your third eye. But the lifestyle and the food that we are eating, it hinders us from having that softness of life. You know, life becomes soft when you see things happening and you're like, I saw this happening, I saw this as a dream. Soft life is when you know who's trying to attack you and you are not fooled now. You know who's for you and you know who's not for you. To me, soft life is not materialistic things like driving a fancy car, living in a posh life, wearing expensive makeup. That, to me, that is not soft life, because you are having all those things, but inside we are hlupheka. But soft life is you being rich from within and being able to understand your purpose and everything that is happening around you. That is a soft life, because you wake up every day and you walk the streets knowing ukuthi uyaphi, uvelaphi, and what's going to happen next. You are that powerful, and as human beings, we are born powerful, but the society that we are born into kind of blocks everything. It blocks yonke into. So it's high time people go back to living impilo yamandla. So number one, when I say people must drink water, if I've commented and said drink water and pray, I'm not saying thatha 2 liter manje uphuza amanzi ugcwalise isisu. Cha. Water should be your lifestyle. Amanzi kwamele kube yinto oyiphuzayo. Forget about soft drinks, forget about alcohol. Siyaphuza utshwala, we like celebrating and all of that, but ngaleso sikhathi, but amanzi mawabe i-priority. I've switched drinks. Instead of ukuthi ngiphuze juice, I drink water. I like water and tea and coffee. Coffee, tea, but mainly ngiziphuzela amanzi. If I'm going to eat, if I'm going to eat dinner, I'm gonna take my meals with amanzi. So water should be your lifestyle. And I know some of us don't like water. Baningi abantu abangawathanda amanzi. Baningi. But mind you, you know that you're drinking water with an intention to clear your system. Once you drink lots of water, it even clears your skin. And to be specific with you, warm water. Boil water, pour them in a cup or in a glass, mix it kancane with cold water. They shouldn't be like cold, but they should be warm, because the more you drink, the more it clears your skin, the more it even balances your weight. So amanzi ayimpilo bantu, phuzani amanzi, and then your third eye uzokwazi ukubona izinto clearly. Nokudla kwakho kudigesteka kahle. People who are also even having a problem with going to the toilet, phuza amanzi. Water should be the first thing you drink when you wake up. Phuza amanzi. It will help you even with your system, your bowel movement. Can you see how water is so important? And then when it comes to the food, well, I am led by amakehla. And amakehla wami amakehla semanzini, so you need to eat pure, you need to stay pure. So even with the relationships that I have, the person needs to be pure. If the person is not pure, then I'm not supposed to be with that person. Currently, I am single. I'm not seeing anyone because of, according to amakehla, whoever okumele benami akekho pure for now. And another thing, maybe they are pure, it's just that they distract me, because of sometimes it's really hard to look at two things, you know. I am growing spiritually, and then this other person will also want my attention, so I'm lacking. I'll just focus on him, yabona nje, him, and then ngiyikhohlwa ukuthi I need to actually take care of myself. I need to be alone at some point, understand my own thoughts, and listen to the communication and pray. Because honestly, I enjoy my own company. If only I could just get someone who will compliment me, also understand ukuthi I'm that girl, okhulekayo siyakhuleka. We stay indoors, we do outdoors masifuna, but nje someone who will just understand. I understand nokuthi nje angisongumuntu othanda utshwala, because if you meet boyfriends and then they be saying let's go for dinner, kumele siphuza amawayini, cha njalo silala sidakiwe siphuzana namawayini, amaphupho siphupha nini-ke masilala sidakiwe sikhathele. It's wrong, guys, it's wrong. So as someone who works with spirit sasamanzini, I need to stay pure. Even the food that I take, it must be pure. I don't eat dairy stuff. Amasi, they're not my thing. Yogurts, I don't like them. I eat vegetables, I drink water, and I eat chicken, beef, and fish. That's all. That's what I eat. Pork, I don't eat it. It's not clean for me. Inyama yangaphakathi, inhlobo, I don't eat those things. Like, I don't. Yes, ekhaya kuyahlatshwa and all of that, but I don't eat that. But veggies, I can even snack carrots during the day, umbila, spinach. You know, I have found peace. Back in the day during varsity, even my friends would tell you ukuthi mina ngithanda inyama. Bengisho nje ukuthi if I visit you, you need to have meat for umakaziwe. But I'll tell you that growing up, and trying to understand myself, amakehla in myself, we appreciate vegetables more. Even butternut. We love butternut. We enjoy it. So nje ama-veg have became my thing. And ngiyawa understand amakehla wami, they love simple things. Athanda amadumbe. You know, I sometimes wish namukuthi I want to try Japanese, I want to try about all these different type of cultural foods, but angibina leyo nto le, angibina that thing to actually go and buy those type of foods. No. I stick to what I know and just eat pure and live a simple life. And what I'm realizing is that a lot of people now are going for hiking. Hiking is very, 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 very good. So people like myself who've been hiking for his courtesy, and normally some of us when we go for hiking, we go there to pray. We go to the mountains to pray. Why? Uyothatha amandla lapho, and your dreams become clearer. So to people who are hiking, do it more often. Do it more often. Umoya waseyintabeni hits differently, and more uyingane zesithunywa, you feel uyawuzwa now, uyawuzwa, you connect so well. And abantu abadala ke bayayithanda indawo eyithulile and connecting with nature. It is so beautiful. Don't go there thinking, yo, I'm gonna meet snakes, I'm gonna meet, no, cha. Go there, enjoy, and be peaceful. Some people take it as a stress relief just to walk there and talk and, you know, all of that. I enjoy hiking, guys. I enjoy it. And I normally do it with my cousins. Like, we do it as a group. And it's another way of us bonding. So we need to change our lifestyle. We need not to follow the trends of society. We need to understand what's happening inside of us. Ngoba impilo ingaphakathi kuwena. You just need to listen to yourself. You just gotta give yourself time and love yourself. Understand, and then share whatever that is inside of you with the rest of the world. Because I tell you, the life that the society is selling to us, dating, all these dating shows that are all there, the food, the cooking shows, all the food that they cook, they're always cooking pork, they're always cooking that. But all I'm saying is that we are different as people, and uma unesithunywa esifana njengesami esasemanzini that just wants purity, you will have to stay pure and don't follow the trends, the society. Don't, but actually focus on yourself and try and understand self. Yiyo into nje ebalekile. Then when you start understanding self, and God now reveals everything. And you know what? When you pray, you compliment your third eye. You drink water, you compliment your third eye. You eat well, you compliment your third eye. You exercise, you compliment your third eye. Then your life becomes soft because of you are connected. Some of the things that zikumangazi, when people turn against you, mangali, because you've seen it coming. You know, some of us, we are walking, but we know who is for us and who is not for us in our families, in our workspace. Ayikho into mina engimangazayo because of I am just aware and I am just told about everything. So do I want to lose that power? Will I sacrifice that type of soft life? Hell to the no. Hell to the never, ever. I love my life as soft as it is. And I want to share it with everyone out there to say, na yogi soft life is a pillar. It's not material, but it's actually it's beyond materialistic things. And if you are living soft like this, you are going to be more and more successful and acquire whatever material, because of you will know who's against you, you will know who to speak to, you will know who you're not supposed to even connect to. Imnandi lempilo, guys. So ngiyanicela abantu, continue to stay prayerful, uphuze amanzi, and face everything with peace. Mina ngane amakhehla amadala, amakhehla amakhulu, ngithi akuba ubumbano nozwano nothando maphakathi kwamakhaya wenu. I love you so much, guys. Mwah.